In the mountainy regions of the world, there are many mountains. There are clouds above them. The cheetah, a big spotted cat, and a giraffe, also spotted but not a cat. The heat creates a lot of air movement on the savannah. A deer, more spots. Zebras are also present. The cheetah appears to be the main predator. There are two of them. Licking the nose is a telltale sign that the cheetah is indeed hungry. It appears that something will become prey. The only 3 cheetahs. There are now 3 of them. They are bigger than I had thought cheetahs were. The giraffe. The cheetahs hide in plain sight by sitting in grass. The long neck of the ostrich. The ostrich is a bird that, it doesn't fly, it waddles. The ostrich and the penguin have many similarities. They are a little unnerving to look at, really, and the cheetah is well aware of this fact. Indeed, the ostrich is too. It is hard for ostriches to mate as they find themselves so unappealing. They are particularly unarousing. The cheetah appears to be stalking the ostrich, and a showdown will soon commence. The ostrich has begun its mating call. This is done by floofing the feathers as a sign of superiority over other ostriches. It is a failure because the ostriches are not attracted to it. It also appears to be puffing its neck. The cheetah has begun running. It's picking up speed, and the ostrich has run off as well. The chase has begun. Unfortunately for the ostrich, cheetahs appear to be far quicker animals. The ostrich picked up speed, and I was wrong. Nope, I was right. This is more graphic than I had first assumed. The cheetah appears to be mounting the ostrich in an attempt to take it down, while the other ostrich looks on from afar. One ostrich is down, although it may be suffocating a cheetah. No, the cheetahs are clearly in the advantage. This is... Well, ostrich is gone.